The Little Goldfish Gets Lost. One day, Little Goldfish followed his mother to play in a small river far from home. The river was very clear, and the green water plants gently swayed with the current. Little Goldfish happily swam back and forth and had lots of fun. Suddenly, the sky grew dark. Heavy rain poured down. The river rose higher, and the current became fast and strong. A big wave suddenly swept Little Goldfish away. He lost sight of his mother. Little Goldfish cried out in fear, "Mom! Mom!" But when he looked around, he could not see his mother anywhere. He was very scared, but he remembered what his mother had always told him. When you are in trouble, do not panic. Stay calm and think of a way to solve the problem. So, he tried to remember the way he and his mother had come, then swam in the direction of home. After swimming for a long time, Little Goldfish met an old turtle. The old turtle slowly asked, "Little one, why are you all by yourself?" Little Goldfish told him everything. The old turtle nodded and said, "Do not be afraid. You are swimming in the right direction. Just swim past the water plants ahead, and you will soon reach your home." Little Goldfish politely thanked the old turtle and continued on his way. After swimming a little farther, a little crocodile suddenly blocked his way. The little crocodile smiled and said, "Little Goldfish, it is getting dark. Why don't you come to my house and stay for the night? Tomorrow I will take you to find your mother." When Little Goldfish heard this, he felt that something was not right. He remembered his mother had told him never to go with strangers. He quickly answered, "Thank you, but I can go home by myself." Then he immediately swam away as fast as he could. Sure enough, when he looked back, he saw the little crocodile opening his mouth wide and chasing after him. Luckily, Little Goldfish was a fast swimmer, so the crocodile could not catch him. The sky grew darker and darker. Little Goldfish was tired and worried. Just then, a little frog swam over and gently asked, "Little Goldfish, what's wrong?" After listening to Little Goldfish's story, the little frog smiled and said, "Don't worry. I know where your home is. Let me take you home." With the little frog swimming beside him, Little Goldfish felt much safer. The two friends swam past the water plants and around a big rock. Finally, they reached Little Goldfish's home. Right outside the door, Mother Goldfish was still waiting anxiously. As soon as she saw her child, she quickly swam over and gave Little Goldfish a big hug. She was so relieved that tears filled her eyes. The little frog smiled and said, "Always remember, when you are in trouble, be brave, but don't forget to protect yourself too." From that day on, Little Goldfish always remembered this. People who truly help others are kind people. But if someone is suddenly too eager to help for no reason, You should be careful and stay alert.